So we're heading to Busch Gardens, Williamsburg today. We're gonna take our friends from Hershey Park down with us. They haven't been there in years. And basically, Bryce, he's 12 and he loves roller coasters. So I just had to get him down there. Bryce's first time on Pantheon.
Can you get at it? 1, 2, 3. Okay, who's your? You're not going on.
Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
Woo!
Here we go.
Woo! It's faster.
We are here with our Hershey Park friends. We got Bryce here.
Also, Wildcats Revenge fan.
Yeah. We just did Pantheon, and now I think we're heading up for Bolton. Busch Gardens, Williamsburg. Woo! Look, Hello's Chariot's closed. That sucks.
Candy's probably better. So nice.
There's my girls. Say hi, YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
Oh, there we go. Look at that. We could get that for you, Hayward. A little reindeer.
I just bought that for Bryce.
Did you get Bryce?
He hasn't wearing the.
Grandma's blowing you up on YouTube.
No, it's that. It's that one.
Oh.
It's really hot.
That's the battering ram, I think it's called. This is the most beautiful park in the world. Literally 34 years in a row.
It's either that or.
Hayward, look. Frosty's over here. Oh my, there's a big long line. Wow, we're not gonna wait in that. Not to see Frosty. If it was Santa, maybe.
Fives, little hugs, wonderful.
Like, look at this park. Isn't it beautiful? What do you think, Bryce?
It's really cool. I've been here many times when I was like not even 1, but I really do think they have a great lineup. Big Griffin, a dive coaster, which they're really good for like coasters that you need badly, but you don't have enough space because they really don't take up a lot of space.
Yeah. Footprint.
A
Yeah.
lot of the GP really like them.
Yeah.
They have a lot of launch coasters.
Yes, they do.
Pantheon, especially for Bolton.
And then Dark Coaster too. That is on there, and it's delicious. They're so good. Ready, Bryce? Hear the wolves? So we are going to hit up Dark Coaster. We just did for Bolton. It was fantastic as usual.
Now we're heading to Alpenguys.
We're heading to
Alpenguys.
yes.
This for Great Bear.
Oh, definitely Alpha guys. Oh.
Yeah, me too.
I don't know why I like to do that, but every time.
smooth.
Yes. Wow.
It like jolted back like this. And I had to like move.
There's the station of the new coaster, the B&M or Vekoma. What do you think it's going to be, Bryce? What did you hear rumors of?
A giga.
Oh no, I don't think it's going to happen.
I really think they need an RC.
That's what I think. That's what I think. Busch Gardens, if you care about my opinion, you're getting RMC.
You know what it gives me?
There's the Dark
Knight.
Dark Castle. We're about to go to the Dark Castle. I'm sorry, Dark Coaster. I'm so used to it being called the Dark Castle. I've already been on this like 45 times
Wouldn't it
already.
be
But
Dark Coaster?
First time.
Yeah.
You want to take the poncho off?
I'm gonna take this off.
Look at that fish!
Can you?
Hello, everybody, on YouTube. No, you're doing too scary.
What are we gonna say? What are we gonna do? What are we gonna ride?
We can ride the dark coaster.
Oh no!
did we learn, Hayward? To pull the harness down. Pull the harness down.
Now we just need to run Invader.
What did you think of Dark Coaster?
It's really cool. I like the fact that you can hold on. Some people I've heard don't like to, but I honestly like to. I think it adds on to the experience.
It does. It does. I think so too. It's a great ride. There goes the train. We're gonna eat this food at the Trapper Smokehouse. Look at that, Hayward.
What is it?
Chicken, ribs. I don't know what else. I don't know.
I think just for wrap. Oh no, something's in there.
Someone's in it. Looks good though. We're about to get on the train. Go ahead, hurry. Oh, they can't see me. We're about to get on the train for the Christmas lights in the...
It's very dark.
It's very dark?
Choo-choo bye.
Choo-choo bye.
Choo-choo bye.
I know.